Today we're here to look at the collaborative robot from Hanwha. My name's Jareth. I'll be talking to you about features and specs that we have with this collaborative robot. So to start off with, the Hanwha comes in 3 different models, 3, 5 and 12. The model numbers just say what payload the Cobot's capable of. So 12, for example, will be 12 kilogram payload and has a 1.3 metre maximum reach, which is perfect for your palletising applications. The Hanwha comes out of the box with a whole bunch of inputs and outputs. So just by hitting a button here, you'll see that starts moving, which then replicates the PLC output signal telling the Hanwha to continue what it's doing or to start what it's doing. So you can see it's moving around behind me. One of the great things with the Hanwha is that it's collaborative, so you can put this in an environment where you have people working around it without the additional need for security gating or fencing, which is usually one of the biggest problems when you're putting an industrial robot into place. It just simplifies the process and gets you up and running without all those extra overheads. From a Pneutech point of view, we can also offer a complete end-to-end solution with these Hanwha Cobots, where we not only supply the Cobot and help you with the programming, but we can also supply end-of-arm tooling. So from manufacturers such as VMecha, we can put a vacuum head on there, so for palletising, picking up boxes, all that kind of stuff, or directly on packages. Or we can do something from PhD, which is another one of our manufacturers, for a more mechanical gripping solution with something like that, which is a parallel gripper. So we have a few different options at our fingertips that we can give you that complete solution. What we have on the Hanwha today is the telematic electric linear actuator. So that electrifies the whole system. So there's no need for further pneumatics or any other fluid power to help move this actuator. So that's a really good option for people that just don't have pneumatics readily available. If you did need the forces involved for pneumatic clamping, we do have options to electrify that as well now. So there's a whole myriad of options available to us. One of the key benefits with the Hanwha as well is that we have a really easy to use user interface. So it's all icon-based programming. So you don't need to know any fancy coding or anything like that. It's all inbuilt into here. So it's really intuitive to program. And we can teach you how to do that as well as part of the process. So yeah, really nice system, really easy to use, and we can get you up and running really quickly on your shop floor to palletise or whatever project you might have available. Another cool feature about the Hanwha Cobot is the direct teach function. So you can disable the axes and just drag the head to where you need it to be. And then that helps to teach it really quickly, and then you can then fine-tune those parameters with your user interface. So really easy way to develop a program quickly without too much programming or hassle required. One of the biggest factors in Australian industry is labour and the cost of labour. And so where this Hanwha Cobot will help with that is to better utilise your labour force to be doing the things they really need to be doing. So this will remove all those monotonous, repetitive tasks that typically we have labour for, and also gets things like accommodates RSI issues, health issues that might come with those repetitive tasks. So that's one of the huge benefits of putting a Cobot in. The other thing is this guy works 24/7, so you'll be able to run that line for as long as you need to.